Migration and diversity are key features of humanity. We see more and more talk around migration as a policy issue. And as much as migration and diversity are key factors that shape societies across the globe, they also become a topic of almost every policy domain. GMD is Governance of Migration and Diversity track that is offered at ISS within the framework of LDE-GMD joint initiative. LDE-GMD Master is a joint initiative of Leiden, Delft, Erasmus universities. So our students who join this track at ISS get the chance to tap into the academic knowledge and expertise in 3 different universities and 4 different tracks.
Within the MA, one of the courses that I teach together with Zeynep Kashlim is about migration and development. And here we try to cultivate a critical understanding of the migration and development nexus. And so we dive a little bit into how this nexus has evolved over the years and ask students to critically think about the assumptions behind migration and development.
Here at ISS, they also get core courses on development studies. Here we are especially interested in exposing our students to the contested nature of development. So they get quite a variety of courses where they will actually question the notion of development itself and then look at that from a migration perspective too. We have a 15-month program, which is quite unique compared to other tracks, and a very long period where a student has one-on-one supervision on their individual projects.
When I was choosing which master I should do after my bachelor's, I was between development studies or just specialize on migration. And then when I saw the ISS program, that was development studies plus the governance of migration and diversity track, I was like, wow, this is like the perfect fit. I think the master have an amazing practical side. For example, we were able to develop a policy brief on a topic that we wanted about migration. Also, for example, in our course in Delft, we're going to visit a super diverse neighborhood here in The Hague. So it's great to be able to see firsthand how these things happen or how to do something like, as I say, like a policy brief, which I think is really nice doing that on a master because that prepares you for the future.
There's something that we have called the theory meets practice sessions, and for example, in class we had a discussion or a roundtable discussion with the European Commission, and we had a group assignment later on in the semester to do a policy brief, and we thought, well, ISS and this migration program has exposed us to networks, and we were able to contact the person who gave the talk to us, and we literally, as a group of students, had a discussion with the European Commission about ideas for a policy brief. So it's something that's very hands-on because you get to practice these and network and meet new people. But another thing is you also live in The Hague, which is the capital of justice and peace. It's pretty important. It feels important.
We have a rich diversity of people studying migration and diversity and focusing on different geographic and thematic areas. And so our migration community is very much alive here.
Our student body and our faculty is quite a diverse student body. So with the PhD students and master students joining these research enterprise here at ISS, we embrace different perspectives and we offer an inclusive environment for different knowledge to be acknowledged also.